Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see IR remote controller based on ATmega8A microcontroller. You can also use your Arduino for this project, and here this is the driver ULN 2003 for driving the relay, and 7 segment display for showing the data or the speed of the fan on the display. So this is the IR remote. You can use any TV or set-top box remotes. As you can see, I have made the PCB, so it's a very simple and easy to make. And also here you can see I am connecting a 3.7 volt battery to this module for the testing. And when I press the key on the remote, so it will respond as accordingly. Like I have configured the number 1 2 3 4 as speed of the fans, and also 0 for the speed 0, and the red button I have chosen to turn off all the appliance. And also this features a EEPROM of reading, so that it can revive the previous data based on the EEPROM data. So this is very useful for where the power is cut off, and again it will recover the data from the EEPROM. So for this we have to include the EEPROM library, and also include the IR remote library for working with this. So after scrolling down, we have found this library IR remote. So in this library use version 3.0.2. in this case this works perfect. Other higher version will not works or may not works for you. So after installing this, click OK. Now let's move on the coding portion. So I have defined the IR remote keys like the hex code of the required keys. So the code for this funding of the hex code will be provided in the description. And also I have defined the 7 segment and relay output pins as above. And after this I have made all the relays as low in the initial state. And in the white setup section we have make all the pins as a output. So after this again we have write the digital light pin 0. And again here I am using a EEPROM.read function to read the EEPROM data from the library, so that we can make the power outage and recover the all of the thing. And in the while loop section we have configured the digital light for the relay, and again the EEPROM write function for writing the EEPROM data. So this way the whole code is working for all the 6 relays. And after this select the Arduino as ISP in the programmer and hit the upload button. So after this I'm connected 6 LEDs at the output for showing the all the data. So here you can see the LEDs are glowing as when I press the key on the remote. As you can see all of the working very well, and you can see the EEPROM working. So the 3 LEDs are working, and 2 is written on the display. So as same as the EEPROM is working very perfect. And the code and circuit diagram of this provided in the description. So if you like this video, please like and also share your opinion in the comment box. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.